PDFs are one of the most widely used digital formats today, but most people only scratch the surface of what they can do. Beyond simply viewing and sharing documents, PDFs have a variety of hidden features that can improve productivity, organization, and collaboration. In this video, we'll explore some of the lesser-known PDF features you can start using today to work smarter and faster. One hidden feature is interactive forms. Many PDFs allow you to create fillable forms with text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-down menus. This is perfect for surveys, applications, feedback forms, or order forms. Instead of printing and scanning documents, you or your clients can fill them out digitally, saving time and reducing paper use. Another powerful feature is digital signatures. PDFs support secure e-signatures that make signing contracts, agreements, and approvals easy, even remotely. You can add a signature field and allow others to sign electronically, which speeds up workflows and eliminates the need for in-person signings. This is especially useful for businesses, freelancers, and remote teams. PDFs also have annotation and commenting tools that many people overlook. You can highlight text, add sticky notes, underline or strike through words, and even draw shapes directly on a PDF. These features are ideal for reviewing reports, collaborating with teammates, or providing feedback on documents without altering the original content. Another hidden feature is password protection and permissions. You can encrypt a PDF with a password to prevent unauthorized access or restrict actions like editing, copying, or printing. This adds an extra layer of security for sensitive documents, ensuring that your information remains safe when shared digitally. Bookmarks and navigation tools are also underutilized. PDFs can include bookmarks for different sections, a table of contents, or even hyperlinks within the document. This makes it easy to jump to specific pages or sections in long reports, manuals, or ebooks. For readers, this improves usability, and for creators, it adds a professional touch. A lesser-known feature is PDF conversion and export. Many PDF tools allow you to convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image formats while preserving formatting. You can also merge multiple PDFs into one file or split a single PDF into smaller documents. These features make organizing and repurposing content simple and flexible. Finally, searchable text and OCR, optical character recognition, is a game changer. Even scanned documents can be made searchable, allowing you to find specific words or phrases quickly. This feature is extremely helpful for large reports, legal documents, or archives where manually searching through pages would be time-consuming. By exploring these hidden features, interactive forms, e-signatures, annotations, security options, bookmarks, conversion tools, and OCR, you can unlock the full potential of PDFs, making your workflow more efficient and professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and productivity tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start using these hidden PDF features today and take your document management to the next level.